Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you fascinated by data? Do you dream of a career in data science, data analysis, data engineering, or even as a data architect? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to dive into the world of data and learn about the most essential language you will need. That is SQL. These careers are in high demand, and understanding data is the key to unlocking these exciting opportunities. Let's start with the basics. What is data? Simply put, data is information. It can be anything: numbers, words, images, sounds, and so much more. Think of it as raw facts and figures. Data can be broadly categorized into two types: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative data is numerical, things you can count or measure, like age or sales figures. Qualitative data is descriptive, things you can observe but not measure, like colors or opinions, right? Remember back in school when your teacher asked you to draw graphs based on data? That's what statisticians used to do. They analyzed data, drew conclusions, and presented their findings visually. Now, data analysis has evolved. Today, a data analyst is a blend of statistician and a computer programmer. That is a computer professional. They use tools and programming languages to analyze massive amounts of data. And the most important language to learn in this field is SQL, Structured Query Language. It's the standard language for managing and manipulating data in databases. If you want to work in data, SQL is a must know. So, what exactly is SQL? It's a programming language, but it's used to communicate with something specific, that is, databases. Think of it as a language you use to ask questions and give instructions to your data. You use SQL to retrieve, insert, update, and delete data from the databases in a organized way. So what is SQL again? SQL is an organized way to ask questions or request for something in order to communicate. But communicate with what? Communicate with databases. Now let's talk about databases. What are they? A database is an organized collection of data. It's where all the information is stored and managed. There are two main types: structured and unstructured databases. Structured databases organize data into tables with rows and columns, like a spreadsheet. For example, we have a basic tool that is Excel. Other few examples for structured databases are MySQL, MS SQL Server, then Oracle, etc. For unstructured databases are used to handle data that don't fit neatly into tables, like documents, images, and videos. They are more flexible and designed for diverse data types. A few examples to name in unstructured databases are MongoDB, and Cassandra. Now, let's tackle a common interview question. What's the difference between SQL and MySQL? SQL is the language, it's the standard for interacting with databases. MySQL, on the other hand, is a specific database management system. It's a software that uses SQL. Here's an analogy. SQL is a language of requesting a book. It's the set of rules and terms you use to ask for information, like I need to borrow a book with title Y. MySQL is the system that stores and organizes books, that is, the data. So, MySQL is equivalent to a library. It understands the book request language, that is SQL, and uses it to find and manage books. So, there you have it, a basic introduction to SQL and its importance in data careers. Remember, data is everywhere, and learning SQL is your first step to unlocking amazing opportunities. If you are serious about a career in data, start learning SQL today. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe this video. Check out the links in the description for more resources. Thank you for watching.